everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys my Michael's Grab Bag haul. Now, in the past, I have gone super crazy over this, but I feel like Easter, I can get a lot of stuff for 90% off, especially if you guys are looking for plastic eggs. That time, the best to buy them is off season, but I always see these Michael bags, and I know I've been trying to get rid of stuff, and I have been trying to get rid of stuff, but I just cannot pass up $4 Michael Grab bags. Now, I did not go crazy like I've done in the past. I don't remember if I even did an Easter bag last year. I can't remember if I did one. So I'm like, husband, I'm going to go to Michael's after I get done with work today. And I'm like, I'm going to see what they have. Now, I do have two different Michael's stores to choose from, but I'm just doing the one. The other store that I like to go to usually has some really good stuff, but I don't feel like driving a half an hour to get some stuff. So I ended up getting 3 bags. So I'm going to share with you guys what I got. Now, you guys can kind of see what's in them depending on what your store does. And I know one thing I really wanted was a giant egg, and that's what I got. And it feels like there's stuff inside it. I don't know what's inside it. I was trying to read the label to see what was inside it, so I'm gonna open that one first, and then I got 2 other bags. So these are each $4 a piece. Every store is different. Some stores have boxes, I've seen. Some stores have bags. But every store is different, but you never know what you're gonna get. You never know. The stuff that I was looking at, they had pillows in there for $4 just by itself, but I didn't need an Easter pillow. And then they had lots of Easter baskets, and I've well stocked on Easter baskets. So I'm like, let's just see what else they have. But one thing I really wanted was a giant egg. I'm thinking of starting a page or a channel up for Ben, and I thought it'd be kind of cool to have, you know, a giant egg with some stuff in it. So here it says jumbo nested eggs. This was originally $20. Oh, you know what this is? These are 3 different eggs in one. I didn't realize that. That's kind of cool. So you can get, there's 3 eggs in here, so there's a big one, a little one, and a little one. That's kind of cool. I'm not going to open it because I'm going to save it, but I thought that would be kind of cute to use for next year for Easter or something. And I mean, I heard something in it. That's cool. I wish I read that. I was trying to figure out, like, what the heck is all in here, but that's cool. So they did have a couple other ones, but I thought I'm going to definitely get the giant egg to use to put, like, goodies and stuff in it. And then I did see these. These are baking cups. There are 75 pieces in here. These were $2. You can never go wrong. And even though they say Happy Easter on them, you can't really see that it says Easter on the side, so you can use these all year long. We make muffins and cornbread muffins and all that stuff, so I thought these are perfect to use anytime all year long. Now here they gave me some stretchy toys. They are robots. There's 6 of them in here. These were $3. We're having a Easter egg hunt for Ben's birthday party in September, so these are great little items to put inside his bag, or the eggs, so the kids can play with it, and they're nice and squishy, so that is perfect. And then, and just the last item in this is treat bags. There's 18 little treat bags. It looks like they are like Ziploc baggies, which again, it's something I can use all year long. It doesn't have to say Easter on it, but I thought that was kind of cute. I mean, for $4 for all that stuff, I mean, you basically paid $1 an item. That's okay. I'm okay with it, you know, paying $1 for these things. These are totally cool. So that was what was inside one bag. Now we're going to open bag number 2. Yes. Okay. So one thing I did like is the Easter grass. This is the stuff that I use and then I just throw it away every year. I mean, it's cheap enough. These they sell for $1. So I'll use it for next year and then I'll just throw it away unless I feel like putting it back. But this is perfect for my daughter's Easter basket. We're having a girl any day now. So that perfect for her basket. And I do have 2 baskets for each kid. One to find eggs and then one with their stuff in it. Ooh, we got a cookie or crafting cookie kits. This, I'm reading it in French. It's a Easter egg ice cookie kit. So this is something we can make right now. It makes 12 cookies. you just need butter, eggs, powdered sugar, and toothpicks. But it comes with icing mix for red, yellow, and blue, piping bags, and then an egg-shaped cookie cutter, which is kind of cool. Doesn't say when it expires, but this is something we will be using. Oh, it expires October 2019. So we'll definitely be making some cookies. Even though it's not in season, still make some cookies. So that's something cool. Like, you know, I can still use that right now. This is something cool. Emoji eggs. Ben is obsessed with emoji eggs. And I always buy Easter egg dies off season. So this is something we'll save for next year. And then they come with stickers that he can put on the eggs. So that is a super cool kit. You know, that is awesome. The next item we got is 3D stickers. There's 4 stickers in here. This was originally $3, but they're okay. I mean, they're just stickers. You can never go wrong with stickers. I kind of hoard stickers. Like, I don't know why I'm afraid to use certain ones, but, you know, whatever. Still definitely use those. Here I got another baggies, another thing of baggies. They wanted $6 for this thing. Yeah, so that's still fine with that. And then pretty much every single bag I saw had these plates in here. These are Easter chargers for $5. I don't even know if I'll use it, but if you guys need some chargers, go for it. So I got 2 of them, 2 pink ones, and I think I saw some yellow ones and maybe blue or green, but if you guys ever need some chargers, I could always put some kind of arrangement on there. And then I saw this through the bag, so I'm like, this is kind of what I want. This is Fundo, so it's like Play-Doh. My son loves Play-Doh, so this is something he can play with right now. Who cares? And then each cover has like a chick, an egg, and a bunny on it. So that's perfect. I'm not going to save this for their basket for next year because it'll probably dry out. But this was originally $3. So right now we're doing a sticker chart where if he gets 5 stickers, he gets a prize. So this will be going in his little prize basket so he can choose to play with that. And then this is something I saw and I'm like, oh, okay. So this is Hatchimals Jumbo Candy Egg. It's filled with 10 lollipops, 5 packs of jelly beans, and 1 sticker sheet. All it is just a regular egg. Again, he can play with something, or he can have stuff like this when he starts doing good deeds. We'll give him a sucker or something like that. So this will last a little bit for him. And now on to the last and final bag. Yeah, I really try to examine this stuff before I buy it now because, like, some of that stuff they have in there is, like, worthless. Like, I saw, now some of you guys might like it, but I saw, like, an Easter bunny that looks like it's made out of the stuff from a broom. I'm not into that stuff, but a lot of those bags had them in there, so I'm just like, I don't want that. But here is a treat box. Yeah, it's a 2-pack treat box. Originally $6. I guess you could put like a cupcake or something in there if you wanted to and give it to somebody. Yeah, this is something I probably will not use, but you know, maybe when he goes to school or something, I can always, you know, give that to one of his teachers. This is another treat bag, but it's different. It says Bunnies Be Hoppin', and they got little bunnies, so that's cute. More treat bags. These are, again, little Easter eggs. These are Ziploc baggies. So, or no, these ones aren't. These ones are the Ziploc baggies. These are just those ones that you twist. You tie to twist. So that's kind of cool. Got another one of these, and these were again $3. Those are so cute. I really like that design. More little robot little guys. So that is perfect for his little grab bags. More Play-Doh, or Fundo is what they call it. I got a green, oh, they tied this in it. They tied this with it. Let's just cut that off. I got some green grass. These were originally $10, so this is perfect for his Easter basket for that. And then they gave me window clings, which I didn't put any Easter ones up this year. I just kind of wasn't having it, but I do like the gel the gel and window clings. The only thing that sucks about these is if you have them touch and then they sit around for a whole year, they will bleed into each other. I've learned my lesson on that, not to keep them, or not to let them touch. And you guys can barely even see it. So, but it says hoppity hop. So that is cool. Now we got some more of the paws. These are mini monsters. So Ben will be having tons of fun with the stickers and the die. I love it. I love getting this stuff off season. So there's that. And then one more item left in the bag, and it is a charger. This one is the greenish blue one. Yeah, there's just one. So originally $5. So I got these. I got 3 bags for everything. I think I was pretty good for, what did I pay, $12 for all this stuff. I think it's a pretty good deal. I mean, the baggies I'll definitely be using, and I can use those all year long. The Play-Doh, he'll be getting those in his little treat box. The stickers is probably my least favorite thing, but you know what? We'll save them for next year for some crafts. But I really like the little robots. Those are perfect for his little Easter baskets, or the little eggs that we're going to do for his birthday party. And cookies. You can't go wrong with cookies. But yeah, so definitely check your guys' store. Let me know if you guys scored anything cool. You don't know. Some of your stores might not have them. Some of them do. More and more stores are doing them now because people just go crazy over them. But you don't have to go super crazy. Like, I know Christmas they go super crazy with them, but I've seen some people buy like hundreds of dollars worth of stuff, and I'm like, that's fine if you guys, you know, will use it or resell it. But other than that, just don't go crazy. I mean, unless you see something that's awesome and worth it. But yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys my Michaels mystery grab bag so you guys can check your Michaels out. My store had, I don't know if they had more than what they have in the basket. Like, they only have 1 basket. Another store I went to had like 5 baskets in the past. So every store is different. But yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys on that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up so I know you enjoy it. And I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.